is YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it, we're checking it out on the channel. Once again, back with another games for a living video, a Gfal video. I know there's people that's still bullish on Gfal on my channel. Huge gala competitor right here, guys, and you know, we could see potential moves to the upside for this one. We could see a huge explosion for this project in the future whenever GameFi Web3 gaming starts to explode once again, because we know it's coming. We know eventually it's gonna happen. We're gonna see Gala explode, and we're gonna see projects like Gfal also follow in that moniker. Right now, as always, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before investing in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. But with Gfal, we're going to be covering how many Gfal does it take for you to become a potential millionaire, right? So let's take a look at Gfal on coin market cap real quick for you guys. So right now it's back down to that 1 cent range, and when a project is at that 1 cent range, I get bullish. Okay, right? 1 cent, so $1,100 gets you 100k Gfal, guys. 100k Gfal. Now a $10,000 investment might be beyond, you know, the average person's budget. Obviously, a $10,000 investment might be a bit too much, but you know, not financial advice, obviously. $1,100, that is very doable, right? And that would give you 100,000 Gfal. Gfal, in my opinion, could potentially get to that $1 to $3 range if it explodes like Gala, right? If it explodes like Gala, if you know Web3 gaming crushes it like we expect it to, right? Let me also take a look at CoinGecko to check the exact circulating supply, right? So right now, $1 Gfal would be $687 million in market cap, and this could happen before the rest of the tokens go into circulation. I know a lot of people are kind of like, those tokenomics are kind of tough, but you know, if you take a look at Arbitrum, it's similar, right? Arbitrum's tokenomics are pretty similar. 1 billion circulating supply with 10 billion total. Now Gfal hasn't got to the 1 billion yet, but it's pretty close, right? 687 million. When it gets to 1 billion, it'll have tokenomics similar to Arbitrum, right? So you never know what could happen though, right? Crypto could start exploding before all these tokens get vested. All the tokens get vested. And you know, you just have to go through the token vesting, ask questions, do your own research, and it's up to you, obviously, if you're going to take a risk on the project. But a lot of people are bullish on Gfal because they see you know, another Gala, right? Another Gala with this project, and we know Gala is gonna crush it. So who's to say Gfal won't do the same? We saw a nice huge move that happened despite the tokenomics recently, back here from April, right? In about a month. And you know, these moves could continuously happen. Even these moves can continuously happen before, you know, the full token vesting takes place for the project, right? So 53.9k followers on Twitter. Gfal ID is the last real update that we had. No other updates recently. I need to join the Telegram, like the price group, and you know, get more in tune with the community as well. Projects like Gfal with serious founders, absolute professionals, integrated into the main gaming platforms are the best on the crypto market. If you're into the Web3 gaming space, in my personal opinion, you have to look at projects like Sandbox, Decentraland, Gala. I also covered Mobox. Gfal falls into that lane, into that demographic, right? Axie Infinity, Illuvium, Gfal is right there, and Gfal is like the blockchain for games, for Web3 games. It's a blockchain for Web3 games, so the future for it could be huge, right? After completing the delivery of pre-sale tokens on Certify, the project still has 3x of its initial value. If you love GameFi, you must have Gfal. See their work at Elemental Raiders. Around 2.5 months ago, we participated in the Gfal IDO through Certify Fund. The daily chart for Gfal is showing promising signs. Building a gaming mobile for the future, GAAS 2.0, NFTs 2.0, two featured products, and they will be more because they're gonna build out more games. I'm telling you guys, Elemental Raiders and Diamond Dreams. The current price has tripled since the listing has strong long-term potential. As always, not financial advice, and do your own research, obviously, right? That's what it's all about, guys. Look at this charting right here. This was on the 6th, a few days ago. So it has a double bottom pattern, and we could see another move to the upside for Gfal from here. So yeah, this is when you DCA in the projects, not financial advice. This is when you DCA, and in my opinion, 100,000 Gfal could potentially be life-changing in the future. Maybe 6 figures, maybe 7 figures. If maybe 6 figures this cycle, and then 7 figures the next bull cycle, if it's not the first bull cycle, right? You just never know, guys. I'm telling you guys that crypto will just keep growing and exploding in the future, and projects like Gfal are very bullish. They're very bullish in my opinion. Now I could be wrong, obviously, but I wanted to check out this. I saw a video recently with that type of oh no, I typed it in wrong. My apologies. So yeah, this I'm trying to find the video, but this technology right here, GAAS 2.0, maybe I should it's not exactly what I'm looking for. I saw someone sell their code for this for like millions, right? Games as a service. So yeah, they set up a games as a service code and sold it for like millions, and Gfal is doing their best to develop the 2.0 version of it. So it just goes to show how huge the market share is for gaming. $384 billion projected in 2023 for the gaming revenue. How much revenue in video games market, right? $384 billion in 2023. That's been projected. These type of market shares, even like a couple percentages of that coming into crypto, Gfal could potentially get to $1 billion market cap easy just because of that, right? As long as the team delivers, as long as the community keeps pushing the project and they keep developing and growing, right? So yeah, if you're into GameFi, or you just hold Gfal, let me get your thoughts. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. I really appreciate all the support, guys. And also, right, please become a Patreon member. I have a $10 tier for access to my exclusive Discord, but I personally recommend my Crypto Elite tier, where you get access to my buy alerts, sell alerts, and the private Discord as well, so we could come together and do our best to try to make some flips to stack up for the coming bull run, guys. Again, thank y'all so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, Gfal community. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.